quick HVAC hack and or do-it-yourself hack that the do-it-yourself DIYers will really love. Even the novice, maybe even some veteran heating and air technicians will like this hack. Let's jump into it. So, what do you do when you have a bad capacitor that is obviously bigger than your new capacitor? What do you do whenever your mounting bracket is made for the bigger capacitor? What do you do? Obviously, when you go to put this on, look, that ain't gonna work, clearly. So a quick tip on the new capacitor, replacing the bigger old capacitor. Alright, simply the shipping box that the new capacitor come in. It's just that simple. Fold in the top like that. Alright. Take the new capacitor, and I'm assuming y'all know where the wires go, or the do-it-yourselfers, please tell me y'all took a picture of where the wires go. Okay. You hook the wires up. Put the new capacitor in the box, push it down, then you take your box to your control panel and you set it down in there. And of course you hook your wires up, and just don't have to worry about the metal, the 240 volts going through the capacitor touching any metal anywhere, because it's surrounded by non-conductive paper, a wood product. And it's just that simple, guys. That's my tip today on how to put a smaller new capacitor in place of a bigger old bad capacitor. Okay? Alright, guys. Y'all have a good one. If I've helped y'all out today, I'd appreciate y'all liking, subscribing, and definitely commenting. Comment down below that you subscribed, and I will definitely reply to your comment. Y'all be safe out there.